You just bought a brand new TCL TV. You sit down, press play on your favorite movie, and something feels off. Instead of that cinematic look you expected, everything looks oddly cheap, almost like a behind-the-scenes video. The actors don't feel like they're in a movie anymore. It feels like they're just walking around a set. That strange effect actually has a name. It's called the soap opera effect, and it's one of the most common complaints TCL owners run into. Now here's what's really happening. Your TV is trying to help, but it's doing too much. Movies are usually filmed at 24 frames per second, but your TV doesn't like that, so it artificially creates extra frames in between to make motion look smoother. Sounds good in theory, but it ruins the cinematic look, making movies feel like cheap daytime TV. And trust me, viewers hate it too, but the problem is, TCL ships most of their TVs with this setting turned on by default. Now here's where things get confusing. There are actually two completely opposite problems people mix up all the time. First, the too smooth problem. This is where everything looks overly realistic, almost like a soap opera or a documentary. That's motion smoothing working overtime. Second, the too choppy problem. This is the opposite. Slow camera movements start to stutter or skip. This happens when there's no proper adjustment between the movie's frame rate and your TV's refresh rate. Same settings menu, but completely different fixes. So, let's fix it. For most people, the fastest solution takes less than 10 seconds. Grab your remote, go into settings, then picture mode, switch it to movie, cinema, or filmmaker mode, and just like that, problem solved. These modes are designed to show content exactly the way directors intended. Filmmaker mode, in particular, automatically turns off motion smoothing and other artificial processing. For most people, you won't need to go any further than this. But what if you still want a brighter picture, like standard or vivid mode? In that case, you'll need to manually turn off the motion settings. On TCL Google TV models, go to Settings, then Picture, Advanced Settings, then Motion and turn off Motion Clarity or Action Smoothing. On Roku TV models, press the star button on your remote. Then go to Picture Settings, Advanced Picture Settings, and turn off Action Smoothing. And on Fire TV models, go to Home, Settings, Display and Sounds, and Picture, then Advanced Settings and turn off Motion Smoothing. It's just one setting, one toggle, and the soap opera look is gone. Now, if your issue is the opposite, that annoying stutter during slow scenes, don't turn everything off. That actually makes it worse. Instead, go back into those advanced picture settings and find something called Judder Reduction. Set it somewhere between 2 and 4. That adds just enough smoothing to fix the stutter without ruining the cinematic look. And if you've tried all of this but the problem is still there, there's one more thing worth checking: software updates. Some TCL models had known judder issues that were fixed through firmware updates, so go to Settings, then System Update, and see if there's anything available. A simple update could fix what no setting can, and that's it. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe.